You're not being mean. You're not being insensitive. You're simply putting down boundaries. You see, when you've experienced significant neglect, any form of abuse, over a protracted period of time, boundary will feel like you're being mean and you're being insensitive when you start setting boundaries. And it's because for a long time you've not had any protected boundaries. This unfortunately leads to people around you to easily use your resources. So you've given away your good stuff, your finances, your emotional energy, relationships that led nowhere, time, and painfully often to people who had their own agenda when hoping that you would never wake up to your true worth. And this is really sad. This is why setting a boundary now feels exactly like selfishness, because now you're awake. But I need you to understand that boundaries is not being mean or insensitive. And you need boundaries to forgive yourself, to finally heal that part of you that feels resentful and angry over what you've lost. And to be able to build things up on your inside, you need boundaries to regain your lost time, to learn how to truly love yourself and pursue yourself, to be that self that God has created you to be in this season. So I don't know who needs to hear this, but boundaries are necessary. They are essential for your restoration. They are essential for you to fulfill your purpose in this season. So go ahead and lay those boundaries confidently, without apology. It's time you put on your boundary pants. Stay confident, stay beautiful.